Yep. Started on this side. Got this side sanded down. Oh man, that's a lot of work. Still got a little ways to go. It's getting there though. A little better. Just about got both sides. Start doing some priming here soon and get all these little small holes. As you can see, these little small pinholes all in here in this glass. This glass is so thick, I don't think it's gonna be no problem. There's little small pinholes. I don't know if you could see them. I guess we'll mix up some fairing compound and want to get all those out. Get it good and slick. That's what I've been working on so far. It's coming along though.